This 2026 Coachmen Brookstone 395 DBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a carbon interior, sleeps 5, oven, awning, water heater, microwave, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Brookstone 395 DBL is 13,553 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Brookstone 395 DBL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.